Welcome, today I am with Realme C25Y and we are going to check the highest volume level of this device. So at the first I'm going to simply turn on this device, this decibel meter, and set up the highest volume level, and right now it means that this device will register only the highest volume level, the highest than the previous one. And also in this phone we can find speaker right here at the bottom, so I'm gonna put it like that to doesn't let it stick to the surface, to our flat surface. Okay, and right now I'm gonna turn on this song and the highest quality and also on the highest volume level. So just take a look and let's start the test. Okay, as you can see, we got some kind of debug. I mean, the YouTube just disappeared from the screen, so let's turn it on back. That was a little bit strange, honestly. Right now the phone is on the 100.8. Because we have to wait for the ads. Okay, so for example, turn it on right here. Okay, so as you can see right now, this device, the Realme C25Y, reach 109.1 decibels. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.